Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Jalissa. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday hair routine. After I get out of the shower, I like to blow dry, curl, and it usually lasts me 3 to 4 days. So if you want to learn on how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So this is how my hair looks when I get out of the shower. It's pretty damp right now, so I'm just gonna run my wet brush through before I add my products. I'm going to start off with the Olaplex Bond Smoother. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's brand new, so I need to make sure. Ooh, I put too much. I usually don't put this much, but it's fine. And then I just run it through my ends, mostly. And then once I run it through the ends, I like to just go to the top a little bit on the inside. And I don't brush through it yet because I'm going to be adding one more product. And then the next product I like to use is the Cool Glaze Purple Whip from Living Proof. It's like this purple whip. Looks like whipped cream kind of. It's kind of like frosting. And I like to put it all over my hair too. I feel like this helps when I don't use purple shampoo, because you're not supposed to use it every single day because it can dry out your hair. But I feel like it enhances like my blonde and gets rid of the brass for an everyday, or like every time I shower. So now all that is in my hair. Those are the only two things I use before I blow dry my hair. I'm just gonna run my wet brush through everything. So once I brush all the products through, I'm gonna take my blow dryer. I have the T3 blow dryer. It's the bigger version. They have a smaller version, but I have the bigger one. And then I'm gonna put it on the highest but medium heat, just for the rough dry. Okay, so now I have everything rough dried. Now I'm going to take this front section my little hairs and I'm just going to start blow drying this with the round brush. So usually, depending on the way I blow dry my bangs is how I'm going to part my hair for the day. Sometimes I do it in the middle, and then sometimes I do it like a side part. So today I think I'm going to do a side part, but I'm going to section the rest of my hair up. That way I can blow dry every piece underneath. Take crocodile clip. And I make sure to start with the front pieces because those baby hairs can get very frizzy if you don't tame them right away. Okay, so now I'm going to take another section. Honestly, like, the round brush can be too much sometimes, but when I curl it, like, it smooths it out anyway, so I just try to get it as dry as I can with the round brush. So I'm going to take another section, and then I'm just going to put this last section up. that away. Okay, these bangs gotta go for right now. Just gonna clip them up here too. Okay. Okay, now taking the last section and I like to bring it forward. So I like to take the last section on top as well as my bangs, and I like to blow dry all of it forward. I have one more section in the back left. It's kind of dry, but I just want to make sure it's good before I curl it. My arms are tired. It's like a workout. Okay. I'm sweating. You know what? I'm just gonna be honest. By the time I get to the top, I'm too lazy to make it a full blow dry. So I'm just gonna take my wet brush and blow dry it with this. Just because by the time I use my curling iron, it's going to be smoothed out anyways, so. Okay, now that everything's dry, I'm just going to take this bristle brush and lay everything down evenly. I'm going to part it down the middle. I think that's the perfect part. Make sure it's all laid down. Bristle brush. Okay. So now I'm going to part my hair again. So we're going to start off with the bottom section. And I'm going to take my Conair. This is a 1 1/4 or 1 1/4 inch. Curling iron. I got this one on Amazon for like 20 bucks. And a lot of people make fun of me for having it because it's like the Conair one, but honestly, like, it's like the best one, I think. It's like better for like every day. So, what I like to do is take a small section, and I don't even hold it in the barrel for like a second, I just pull it through. Just because it gives that natural soft wave. Take another section. And I also twist it as I pull it through. See the difference? Just like a softer wave. I'm gonna smooth out this piece just a little bit more. And I usually just do everything away from my face. Taking this back section running it through. So I literally twist one time and then I just start unraveling it. Just because I don't want it to have like a full curl. I just want it to be more of an everyday look. Like if I just brush my hair and I have like pretty natural waves. Okay, I have one last section left. This one's pretty thick, but I like to do bigger sections once I get to the top. So I have my last section of hair. And I'm going to take bigger subsections to curl. Like this big. I'm going to run it through, smooth it out a little bit. And do the same thing I've been doing. Sometimes I get scared when doing my bangs because sometimes the curl doesn't want to stay or it's too flat. It's these little baby hairs in front that mess everything up. I'm just gonna leave it like that so it can set that way. Okay. And we just have this side left. Take a bigger subsection like I did on the other side. Smooth it out. So now I have these beachy soft curls. I'm going to take my wet brush and just brush them through lightly. And then if there's pieces I want to fix, I'll just pick them up. Sometimes I like to straighten the ends even more. Just to make it a little softer. Okay, so now I'll take some of the leave-in bonder I used earlier, just a tiny bit, like that much. And then I like to mix the Olaplex bonding oil with it. Just to soften it up even more. And then the excess I just rub on the top just to make sure it's all smooth. Necklace. There we go. Okay, and then for it to last the whole week, I like to use some dry shampoo, just so that way I don't have to use it tomorrow. Tomorrow it's supposed to even look way better, in my opinion. Just on the inside, and then I just massage it in. I'm actually gonna do the back section as well. And then to add some grittiness, I'm gonna use the Flex Hairspray by Living Proof as well. Just to make it a little bit fuller. So this is the finished look. It's super beachy, and I usually wear this every time I wash my hair. So it lasts me about 3 to 4 days. That's with dry shampoo, but I don't know, I just put it in a scrunchie before I go to bed. That way it doesn't really move as much when I'm sleeping. But in the morning I really don't have to fix it. It's only like these front pieces that usually need some taming. But other than that, these waves last me 3 to 4 days, and I'm obsessed. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys learned some of my tips and tricks on how to get some beachy waves. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be okay. Don't you just hate when your freaking nails need a fill?